Hi friends, I'm Dr. Fazalunnisa, gynecologist, fertility specialist, Hira Fertility Center, clinical head, Toli Choki and Shamshabad. Today we are going to discuss about very important and very small tips which we always miss for having a natural pregnancy. The first and very most important. So all of you know that we have to be intimate during the time of ovulation. We always make a track of our periods and we know our ovulation dates, and that is the best time. There are a lot of videos that I made which are related to ovulation, so you can go and check out that. But if you are waiting only for the ovulation and not for the whole process, then you are doing it wrong. So it is better that you have sex on alternate days, instead of waiting for the ovulation, and it will make you, little stress free. Because you will be waiting for the ovulation, those 3-4 days is very crucial. Then you would have stress that we have to do in these dates. It would be like psychologically little burdening. So it is always better that you do not look for the ovulation and have sex on alternate days once your period is over. Okay, once you're done with your period, you can be together for alternate days. The more the intimacy, the more the chances of baby. Second thing, mistake that you should avoid is, putting a lubricant. So the KY jellies or all the other jellies which are available in the market, they're all spermicidal. These are going to kill your sperms. So you apply the jelly, have intercourse, the sperms are going inside. These are all killing your sperms. So that you have to be very careful, or that you are avoiding this lubrication for all these reasons. Third and most important is douching. What is douching? Once you have intimacy, once you are a part of the intimate thing, when you finish off the act, then you're washing your vagina with either washes or odor ones, the ones which smell good. So these are all killing your sperms beforehand. After you're washing it, the vagina is actually acidic. So these are all making your pH high, which is not good for your sperms, which will inhibit the sperms from entering into the cervix. So no douching, just normal water or lukewarm water is very sufficient to clean your vagina. Vagina itself is a self-cleaning organ, but if you have some white discharge or if you have some bad smells, then you have to consult your gynecologist. Maybe it can be a candid infection, which is very common in the women. So the curdy white discharge or whatever, it can be managed by your gynecologist. But do not use the washes which come in the market with nice smells, because that is going to kill your vaginal healthy environment. Whatever we are doing, the act, whatever is there, foreplay is very important, because foreplay just not only gives you the intimacy or the good feel, it also produces the cervical mucus, which is very important for the transportation of the sperms to the uterus. So everything in the nature is so well designed that you are doing a foreplay, you have more secretions, and these secretions will help the sperm to carry to the uterus without any breaks. So that is how everything is so well designed. So foreplay is also very important for having a good healthy relationship and also for a good baby. And the other very important thing is, whenever you're married or you're gonna get married, you want to plan your babies as soon as possible, because you can't keep postponing your babies, because as fertility doctor we are seeing so many problems these days that you can't postpone your having baby forever. And whenever you are planning for a baby, please do avoid having junk food, avoid your smoking. If you're consuming alcohol, you have to restrict the alcohol, okay? And too much of caffeine is also not good for your fertility. And the most important point is, when the woman is above 35 years of age and they have been trying pregnancy naturally for the 6 months, still they do not have a baby, you need to consult your gynecologist. And your age is between 25 to 30 and you have been trying for natural pregnancy for more than a year, then that is the time you have to consult your gynecologist. So all these tips and tricks which I am telling you is very beneficial for you to have a natural pregnancy. Please like, share and subscribe Hira Fertility and pass on the information.